In today's video, I will teach you how to do a split toning effect in GIMP. Let's get started. Creating a split toning effect in GIMP adds an artistic touch to your photos by applying two different color tones to the highlights and shadows. Let's go through the steps to achieve this effect. First, you have to choose your photo. Select a suitable photo for the split toning effect. Vintage or portrait photos work well, but feel free to experiment with different types of images. The second step is desaturating the image. Duplicate the current layer by right-clicking on it and selecting Duplicate Layer, or simply use the shortcut key Shift-Control-D. And desaturate the colors by going to Colors, Desaturate, then Desaturate. Choose Luminance as the mode, and click OK. This will remove the color from the image while preserving its luminance. Create a new blank layer, and fill it with a bluish ash color. Then set the layer mode to overlay. Then merge down the bluish ash color with a layer below it. Duplicate the current layer by right-clicking on it and selecting Duplicate Layer, or simply use the shortcut key Shift-Control-D. Create a new blank layer, and use the Bucket Fill tool to fill the new layer with a sepia color. Then set the layer mode to overlay. Then merge down with a layer below it. Right-click on the sepia color and select Add Layer Mask. Choose Grayscale Copy of Layer and click OK. Repeat the process for the ash layer, but this time, check the Invert Mask option before clicking OK. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a stunning split toning effect in GIMP, adding depth and artistic flair to your photos with sepia and ash tones in the highlights and shadows. Experiment with different color tones and images to achieve your desired look. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.